afternoon, NBAers. It's a wonderful sight to see all of you gathered here. As you can see, I was the winner last year and I'm very grateful. Performing in this contest developed my confidence a lot. And for everyone who wants to try it next year, you should. I want to say farewell to all of you, and I wanted to give my gratitude to everyone who supported me last year. I also wanted to talk about the generation of our school. This school year was tough, but we managed to get past, and we ended up improving and learning important lessons that can help us in our future. I know every one of us is hardworking and intelligent, but if you're feeling demotivated in life, just think about the person or people who supported you like your parents. So don't waste their effort and keep achieving your dreams no matter what. Have you guys ever heard about the quote, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein made that quote, and it has been a very good help in my journey. Whenever I'm feeling demotivated, lazy, or when you don't want to keep moving anymore, well, there's only one solution for that, and that is just keep moving and pursuing your dreams no matter what. Because at the end of the day, doing nothing will land you nowhere. But if you keep pursuing your goals, you won't even need to chase after your dreams, because your dreams will come to you. I also wanted to give thanks to my beloved teachers, Sir Lawrence, Sir Carl, Miss Jack, Miss Lee, Miss Shannon, and Miss Lynn, because without them, I wouldn't have gone this far, because they taught me a lot of lessons, not only academically, but also in life. Another example of very responsible and kind people are our beloved founder and school administrator, Miss Michelle C. Subay, our administrator, Miss Denise Torres, our beloved school principal, Miss Miaka H. Keton, and everyone who attended, because without all of you, this all wouldn't be possible. And before I end this speech, let us all say, 14, Abante! Abante ang isip, abante ang puso. Sa LMBA Gen, abante ka! Happy 14th anniversary LMBA!
Thank you very much, Mr. Thomas Hunter.